Hey, big boy. That's some hair. Yep.
Yeah, he's pretty, Jack. I'm not kidding you. He looks like Debbie. Look at that.
I know.
Look at him in the TV.
Hey, big boy.
Yeah. Hey, you make a good drag queen.
Hey, be gentle.
Get a pin.
What?
Steve, come out here.
Hey, big boy. Like this.
Come on, Jay. Show me your stuff. All right. Steve's going to look out of class here.
Yes.
Here, Tommy, I don't know which
Yeah, you guys need to get out on the street.
It's gonna look right.
You got to give him something he can walk in. I mean, even if
Wow,
there's
yeah.
tennis shoes. You got to just wear something he can walk in, yeah. He's going to tear them up?
Hey, well, what are you gonna do for a bike seat side of